Hi guys and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 penny stocks that you guys should keep on your watch list. But before I continue, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I also just started a Discord, Patreon page. If you guys are interested in joining, check out my link down below. I am just trying to find like-minded people like myself who wants to make money in the stock market and collaborate with 50 other members and becoming a better investor and trader, and just learn about options, selling options, and finding the next hottest stock. I will also be sharing my trades with you guys as well.
First penny stock I'm going to talk about is Asrt. Ticker symbol is ASRT. It closed at 0.70. So this is a company that provides treatments for neurology, pain, and inflammation. Asrt has released 2 key updates that could show the direction it is headed. Earlier this month, Asrt Holdings presented at the virtual Roth conference. This potentially brought some new eyes to the company. Furthermore, Asrt also reported its 4th quarter and full year financial results for 2020. Pro forma revenue was in line with guidance. COVID-19 did not help this biotech penny stock, as the company had to change many of its usual strategies. The CEO, he stated, as we close the chapter on 2020, we reflect on several strategic shifts, including a move toward digital marketing, enhanced patient services, an increasing shift to our hub model, and a linear operation profile with increased cash. In February, Asrt stock pushed above $1 per share, showing it isn't incapable of larger moves in the stock price. The company raised $34.3 million and a $14 million registered direct offering. I do believe they are trying to raise the capital so that they can be able to expand the company. Stock offerings are always good for long-term investors. This is definitely a stock that you guys want to keep on your watch list. I do have a price target of at least $4 by the end of this year. The second penny stock I'm going to talk about is Denson Mines Corporation. The stock closed at $1.08, so this is not a traditional green energy penny stock. Denson Mines is a mining company with a large focus on uranium ore. Recently announced that it is looking to construct a new uranium mining project. After the announcement a few weeks ago, shares of DNN rose by over 15%. The project, known as Wheeler River, could see some progression in the next few months. This year, the goal is beginning the formal feasibility study and submit a draft environmental impact statement early next year. These are both essential steps needed for Denson to make a development decision for the property. One of the reasons traders are focusing on this uranium company right now is the future project of this project. According to Denson, Phoenix is the world's highest grade undeveloped uranium deposit. What is equally interesting is that the company announced it would be included in the S&P TSX Composite Index, as Denson is now included in one of the largest Canadian equity indexes in the market. This is a big deal. This is definitely a stock that you guys want to have on your watch list, and I'm thinking about starting a small position in this stock next week. If we take a look at this chart, it was trading around 64 cents. This was in January. Let's go to the 5-year chart. So it has definitely made a lot of progress in the last few months. We see that it was 33 cents back October 2020, and then it went to a high of 111. That was beginning of February. So it's been hovering around the $1 range. As long as I stay above $1, it can definitely go much higher. The third penny stock I'm going to talk about is Electric Mechanica. The ticker symbol is SOLO. And this is a Canadian company that builds efficient electric vehicles. Its flagship vehicle, Solar, is a single CEV with 3 wheels. On March 23rd, this company announced its 4th quarter and full year 2020 financial results. In the report, it announced a new Mesa, Arizona-based assembly facility which could produce up to 20,000 solars per year. The CEO, Paul Rivera, stated that 2020 was a transformative year for Electromechanica, one that began with the launch of our first retail locations and ended with the arrival of the first production solar EVs onto U.S. soil. In a relatively short amount of time, we have expanded our geographic presence across soon-to-be 20 locations in 5 U.S. states and made great progress building our order book to support our long-term scaling efforts. Financially, the company ended the quarter with roughly $129.5 million in cash, while revenue came in at $224,000, which makes sense because they only begun working to mass produce its cars recently. Electromechanica
Large cash balance sheet.
could help to continue growing it. I do believe this stock has a lot of
Growth potential.
and the stock price right now is very reasonable. I do have shares of Solo, and this stock can easily go back was a few months ago, which was around $14. They are in 5 US states right now. This is still a growing company. So that's why I do believe this price is a really good entry price. But before buying any type of securities, please conduct your own due diligence. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. And if you got this far, don't forget to hit that like button and do consider joining the Patreon Discord page. We already have 50 members in there, and we would love for you to come join us, collaborate with like-minded people, and just share ideas and find ways to become a better investor and trader and find the next hottest stock.
Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for nwbo if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4, so you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get 1 free stock when you open up a nwbo account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get 1 more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you.